How to find downloads on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the downloads on an Android device, whether it's something you grabbed from Chrome or another app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So now the first place is to check in Google Chrome, especially if that's where you download the file. So go ahead and open a Chrome, and then once you have opened it, simply tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop down menu, simply tap on Downloads. And there you would see a list of files you have recently downloaded through Chrome. But here is the thing, Chrome won't always show all your downloads, especially if they came from another app. So let's find out using your file manager. So swipe up to open your app drawer, and in the search bar, simply type File Manager and tap on the app to open it. So once you are in the File Manager app, at the top you'll see different options. From there, simply tap on the option labeled as Bluetooth and Downloads. And now here you will see every file you have downloaded on your device, no matter the source. And if you want to organize your file, just tap and hold on any item and you will get options to move, share, delete, rename and more. You have got full control over your download content right here. And that's how you find and manage your downloads on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.